Today is Rare Disease Day. It is a day meant to raise awareness about the obstacles families living with a rare disease face, like lack of funding and treatments, and very few doctors who specialize in what their loved one has.
ABC 2 News' Megan Knight sat down with two families who are dealing with a rare disease and how they're leaning on each other for support.
In her 4 years of life, Brinley Schillinger has already endured countless hospital stays and 2 brain surgeries.
And every day is a blessing, and we just live our life to the fullest and have to manage this disease every year.
Brinley has tuberous sclerosis complex, or TSC. It causes tumors to grow on her vital organs like her brain and heart.
There's no cure for tuberous sclerosis complex, so it means for our family, we travel to Cincinnati Children's every year so that they can scan all of Brinley's organs and treat her tumors and the disease as it progresses.
TSC occurs in 1 out of every 6,000 births, making it a rare disease. Lauren Schillinger, Brinley's mom, says it's a struggle to get treatments for her daughter.
There are very good treatments, but the cost, it's very high. There has to be specific documentation for a child to qualify to take those medications. There's a lot of red tape and things holding families back from getting their kids the critical care and treatment that they need.
The Schillingers have found an advocate in a local beauty queen who knows all too well what it's like to live with a rare disease.
I'm able to go out and use my voice for people who are not able to.
Victoria Graham has Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, or EDS. It affects her body's connective tissue and has led to 10 surgeries and numerous hospital visits. She uses her crown to educate people about rare diseases like hers.
The biggest thing that we can do is stand up and talk about it, because the more that we talk about it, we realize that our stories are not rare.
And Victoria's mom, Mary Beth, who also has EDS, calls herself her daughter's medical secretary. She says between fighting with insurance companies and finding doctors who can actually treat Victoria, what gets her through it all is having a strong support system.
Because it's really frustrating and it's scary when your child is going through something like this and you're dealing with it as well. It's really nice to have other parents to help kind of support each other.
And Lauren Schillinger is extremely grateful to have that support.
Nobody knows what the journey is like until you're in it yourself. And so to have somebody just like Victoria and her family, we can then rally together, we're stronger together.
Victoria Graham is also taking part in a Rare Disease Day Expo tomorrow at the National Institute of Health in Bethesda. To learn more about rare diseases like Ehlers-Danlos or TSC and what you can do to help, go to abc2news.com. I'm Megan Knight for ABC2 News.